पॉडकास्ट खत्म हो गया है. अब हम लोग टाइम पास कर रहे थे एंड देन आई सॉ योर हुज योर डैडी क्वेश्चन. सो वी वर लाइक व्हाई नॉट ब्रिंग. तूने ही पूछा था ना सौम्या से. सौम्या.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Almighty Podcast series. This is episode 2, and this time we have the Meal Deal boys with us, Nikhil, Prithvi, and Soumya obviously. We talk about a lot of fun stuff, and we also cover issues like what makes a social enterprise. It's a little lengthy, but it's a really fun podcast, so stay tuned till the end. Also guys, I have linked all of Meal Deal's donation links in the description as well as the recruitment drive link. So guys, please go show some love to them and sit back, relax and enjoy the podcast.
So welcome to another episode of the Almighty Podcast series. Today हमारे पास तीन actually काफी high esteem के लोग हैं. The founders of Meal Deal. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of them. Nikhil, Prithvi and Soumya. Guys, would you like to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, so hi guys, I'm Nikhil, MIT Manipal Mechanical Branch and
Mech ka landa.
pretty much it. Yeah, Mech. So yeah, Prithvi, bol.
So my name is Prithvi Tilwani. I'm in the mechanical branch too. I stay in Chennai and I like to play the guitar.
Fair enough.
Hey guys, I'm Soumya. Just by the way, I'm not the co-founder or founder of Meal Deal. I joined later on. So that's like a little clarification. And I am from Mumbai. And apart from that,
core team ka member.
हाँ बस उतना ही.
Are you also Mech ka landa?
I'm from IT.
अरे बड़े लोग. Sorry.
Information technology.
Sorry, बड़े लोग. हम गरीब नहीं. So guys, yeah, it's really good to have you here. तुम लोग आ गए, so हम लोग भी थोड़ी औकात बढ़ा दिए. We have added video now as well, along with audio. So yeah, it's really fun to have you. So how's the lockdown going on for you guys? I know you've been very busy with Meal Deal. Apart from Meal Deal, what has been up? What are you guys up to?
Started with Netflix, then went on to doing some courses. Yeah. Then the productivity phase kicked in. कुछ करना है यार, we have to do something. So started with Coursera, then got saturated, then online classes started, and then that's pretty much it. And then struggling to wake up at 8 in the morning.
Fair enough. Do you guys also have classes every day at 8 a.m.?
Yeah.
अरे भाई.
Yes.
Every day.
No, IT people are not allowed to say on this. 2 दिन off रहता है तुम लोग का, मेरे को पता है.
Guys, I'm just clearing this out. Honestly, I'm really flattered to be here because I'm also one of like probably every one of the guys who's watching this podcast, and like not because I'm from IT or something, but like also because like I don't know if this is a special podcast calling special people, but the three of us, like we also have hard fuck ups. We have the same people probably sitting at the back, and then actually me and Prithvi have burst crackers in the hostel as well.
Wow.
Oh.
So did we? I mean, like,
I have mentioned that. Can you add a
Hypothetical.
disclaimer to this? I don't know.
That is a hypothetical situation, guys. He actually did not do it. Obviously,
We didn't.
we did
Nothing.
it. So, what about you, Prithvi? How's the lockdown been for you apart from Meal Deal?
Lockdown has been Netflix and then
भाई यहाँ पे
Netflix
सब लोग
and
Netflix
then
करते हैं क्या? Hotstar, Amazon Prime
यार
और भी है.
नहीं अब कुछ आता ही नहीं. हॉटस्टार कुछ आता ही नहीं है. दिल बेचारा आई थी, वो देखी थी.
No, that is depressing.
उसकी
मैंने
बात-
नहीं देखा.
वो मैंने देखा, कसम से 2 घंटा बैठ के भी रोया. और कुछ नहीं देखा Netflix उसके.
Yeah, with
Netflix के
this,
अलावा.
Anjay, if I'm allowed, मेरे को अभी I remember this one incident. We all went to watch this Love Aajkal movie. So Love Aajkal 2 actually. So Prithvi was sitting next to me, movie hall था, and मतलब बीच में चल रहा था. Then I said कि यार, I looked at Prithvi and said कि यार ये क्या movie बड़ी बेकार है. I'm not liking it. And Prithvi full emotional रो रहा है. ठीक है यार चुप रहे. Full relatable इसके लिए. पता नहीं कौन से फेज में क्या है बंदा.
भाई पृथ्वी क्या दर्द है तुम्हारे लाइफ में यार, एक बार बता दियो.
अरे बहुत दर्द है, बोल नहीं सकते बट बहुत दर्द है.
अरे anyway, moving on.
podcast के बाद
guys.
अकेले.
अरे बढ़िया. So guys, moving on. 1 year in Manipal has been done. Whoop pass हो गए. Thankfully online sem था तो camp pass हो गया मैं. Other than that, how has the Manipal experience been for you for 1 year? Any funny incidents which you would like to recollect apart from Love Aajkal and Prithvi?
Most of our funny incidents revolve around Prithvi, to be honest.
हाँ.
For sure.
So Prithvi, do you have any fun incidents which you would like to recall first year में? कुछ भी बकवास देखा हो, कुछ किया हो?
फर्स्ट ईयर में पहली बार दारू पी और मैंने बोला लाउड है.
हाँ, जो बोल रहा है बोलो भाई. कौन सा हम लोग एडमिन को दिखा रहे हैं?
फेयर इनफ. फर्स्ट ईयर में पहली बार दारू पी और इसके बाद क्या करा, बस दारू पीते गए. सेम खत्म हो गया दारू पीते पीते.
Nikhil, what about you?
Yeah, so so I come from an army background and people have this perspective कि बंदा अगर फौजी बैकग्राउंड से आ रहा है तो he drinks. मतलब ये है, जैसे घर में तो डाइनिंग टेबल पे रखा रहता है.
कर्नल साहब के घर पे विस्की और रिवॉल्वर हो गई.
Yeah, but ऐसा है नहीं. So yeah, so हाँ, so मैं आया, so I like a lot of my friends decided कि यार तू तो पीता ही होगा, but it wasn't the case and then अभी तक नहीं किया, but then देखते क्या होता है.
अरे कोई नहीं,
and apart from that,
मतलब मणिपाल में तो ऐसे बहुत ही कांड किया है, पर मतलब मेजर अभी कांड टाइप रिसेंटली एक हो गया था. वो जो ट्रांजिशन होता है मणिपाल से वापस, मतलब हॉस्टल लाइफ से वो फैमिली लाइफ में वापस जब आते हैं, सो लाइक इट्स नॉट वेरी यूजुअल, बट मेरे डैड मेरी मॉम को हेल्प कर रहे थे खाना बनाने में एंड वी वर मेकिंग मोमोज. ओके, सो there's like this base for the momos and you put in stuffing and then you fold it. तो मैंने फोल्ड की जगह पे मतलब डैड को बोल दिया क्या बात है पापा आज रोल कर रहे हैं. और अरे भाई
ओह नाइस नाइस.
तो at that moment I knew I fucked up.
भाई वो तो थोड़ा नेक्स्ट लेवल हो गया है अब. वो when was it, मार्च और अप्रैल? क्योंकि वो थोड़ा
I think we all I think my family has recovered from that incident.
No,
and I still have a roof.
When was it? तो मार्च में था या अप्रैल में था ये इंसिडेंट?
अप्रैल में था. but ठीक है, I still have a roof over my head. I'm grateful for that.
चलो अप्रैल तक तो सबको आदत है, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है हॉस्टल लाइफ से निकलने का. So guys, speaking about hostel life, which hostel were you guys in?
Soumya and I were in the 19th hostel and Nikhil was shifting between 17th, 18th, 17th, 18th.
So Nikhil, which block were you actually in?
Yes, I started like initially I joined block 17, then I shifted to block 18.
Oh God.
फिर वापस 17 गया था, फिर वापस 18 आया था. तो कुछ हुआ था ना?
तो block 17 OGs को छोड़ के गया था bro.
हाँ bro, regret तो बहुत था because my roommate भी was like very awesome guy and बड़े मजे आ रहे थे.
Who was your roommate?
Shalab.
Shanab, shout out to you bro if you're watching. Thanks for being awesome. No, but block 17 was honestly one of the best blocks in Manipal.
Yeah, and especially अपना like usually blocks have like during exam times you put alarm on your phone, but we had this fire alarm.
Oh yeah, obviously. Fire alarm which would wake us up at 2 a.m., 6 a.m.
Yeah.
कभी भी बच जाए, चलता है.
Block 19 guys, please rise up.
Yeah.
Block 19 OP हो जाए भाई. Block 19 OP हो जाए एक बार comment section में.
Block 17 OP के बाद ही होगा bro. Sorry, host. Anyway, guys, moving on. So block 19 का scene क्या था boss? I don't know much about block 19. Was it what happens in block 19? Give us a brief overview.
What happens in block 19 stays in block 19.
I'm sorry. Actually, what happens in block 19 stays in block 19.
अरे भाई, एक किस्सा बता दियो भाई बस. सब revealing है एकदम.
We sleep on time.
Oh,
that's the only.
that is fictional.
Yes, for the record.
So have either of you have your birthday celebrated in your block?
Oh yeah, Mr. Soumya.
कितना केक पड़ा मुंह पे?
सामने से तो मैंने शायद स्कूल में 10 क्लास में मारी होगी. अरे हाँ, मैं नहीं बैट मारी थी, मैं ही बैट लेके आया था, मैं मारा था इसे.
हाँ भाई,
खुद ही बैट लेके
अंडा तो भाई दूर की बात है भाई, बैट कौन लेके आता है भाई मारने.
नाइस. एंड निखिल 18 में क्या चल रहा होता है?
18 में so what happened was that क्या बोल रहे हैं, like पढ़ाई या so पढ़ाई बहुत ज्यादा है, मतलब like जो मेरा at least my friend, my classmate Ayush, he's in EC.
Oh, Ayush Goel.
No, Ayush Sahai. IEEE में भी है. It's some guy. Yeah, you might not be knowing. He's not that popular. Yeah. So a very nerdy guy, and used to sit and like अपने laptop पे used to keep on studying and all, and then whenever you enter his room, इससे कि मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा, he quickly change between tabs and all.
अरे भाई, ऐसे टॉपर लोग से दूर रहना चाहिए.
नहीं तो इनिशियली आई थॉट कि ये बंदा कुछ गलत ही कर रहा है टैब्स पे, इसलिए इनिशियली स्विच करता है। पर देन रियलाइज कि नहीं, ये पढ़ाई से स्विच कर रहा है ऐसे। सो या
Nice. So, Prithvi, Soumya, you guys have made it clear कि what happens in block 19 stays in block 19, right? So obviously, so कुछ crazy shit होता होगा. So let me ask you, what do you think happens in a girls' hostel?
तो एक किस्से की बात बताऊं तो मैं गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में जा चुका हूँ एक बार.
Oh, same. High five.
हाई फाई.
What was your contact?
ये क्या हो रहा है भाई?
Why did you go in?
दो दोस्त थी मेरी, उनको शिफ्ट करना था अपना ब्लॉक से, बिकॉज ऑफ क्वारंटीन. जो 70 उनका शायद पता नहीं कौन सा ब्लॉक था, 8 ब्लॉक था
7th.
जहाँ तक मुझे याद है.
8th block Londo.
7 हाँ, सॉरी 7 ब्लॉक था. 7 ब्लॉक से उनको शिफ्ट करना था 22 में. तो हमने कूली वाला काम किया था. उनका 7
अरेंज फॉर द रिकॉर्ड मेरे को भी शिफ्ट करना था. मेरे को भी शिफ्ट करना था, बट ये बंदा कहीं नहीं दिखा.
अरे
उस टाइम.
अरे एक्सपीरियंस ब्रो.
अरे तो
बीच में था बंदा.
समझ गया वो, समझ गया. खेल गया पृथ्वी भाई, और क्या मौके पे चौका.
हाँ.
Nice.
अबला नारी
पृथ्वी
बोल
सिंह हो जाए कमेंट्स में भाई. पृथ्वी सिंह चाहिए हमें.
पृथ्वी सिंह. हाँ.
दो.
So मैं गया था गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में because my mom wanted to see how girls live. So during orientation, तो मैं भी यार सोचा कि भाई बन के घुस जाते हैं अंदर, देख लेते हैं हम भी. भाई होटल है भाई ब्लॉक 22 अंदर से. होटल है.
तो देखो वैसे देखा जाए तो 19 भी बहुत अच्छा है.
19 ठीक है. ब्लॉक 22 होटल है अंदर से भाई. उन लोग के पास लाइटिंग वगैरह है, बेड के पास में वगैरह. बाय द वे, like guys, we are not creeps or anything. हम लोग just घुस गए थे एक बार इंसिडेंट.
हाँ हम तो बस सामान रखने गए थे, कूली का काम करने गए थे और कुछ नहीं.
हम बस अपनी माता श्री के साथ गए थे, हम कुछ नहीं.
हाँ.
So guys, moving on, अब थोड़ा फॉर्मल बात करने लगते हैं. So बॉस, ये मील डील का डील क्या है बॉस? Why did you come up with the name meal deal first of all? Why meal deal?
Yeah, so meal deal इसलिए है because we are actually basically dealing with meal. Initially, as Prithvi said, we did not we had a plan of not accepting donations. It was simply based on grocery donations.
Okay.
So it was basically all involving around meals or maybe rations. So yeah, that was the initial agenda which we had. But then, as Prithvi again said, Soumya was in Bombay, so he actually wanted to help us. But then it was total lockdown over there, so he couldn't actually go out or donate groceries and all. So then we had to come up with this again. We started with this agenda or maybe a new perspective of accepting donations. So yeah, I'll request Prithvi to brief on that regarding the donation.
So as Nikhil said, initially we started with getting groceries and ration only. Then we began on getting donations. So donations ka first response was very overwhelming. We began with, in the first week we had around 30,000 rupees, and in the next 3
cash?
weeks we were about in donations.
Okay.
So I'll tell you what. So in like virtual money. So what we started with is this a payment gateway. I won't take the name because obvious reasons. And then so we got about 20,000 in that domain in the first 3-4 days.
All right.
But those guys didn't release the payment for a very long time.
Okay.
And then so for the next 3 days we were standstill. So we couldn't get money because they weren't releasing payments. And we had put up our GPay links on the website. So
Okay,
I don't know why, but people didn't prefer paying.
First payment gateway you went for, they took the cash in, but they were not releasing it.
They weren't releasing because
my God.
apparently donations cannot be released for 4 months. मैंने उनसे कुछ भी तो मैंने उनसे 4-5 दिन 6 दिन रोज बात करी. एंड देन इवेंचुअली एक कंसेंसस पे आए कि वो 3 महीने में रिलीज कर देंगे.
Alright.
तो हमने क्या करा, हमने और जुगाड़ लगाया. जिन लोगों ने डोनेट करा था हमने उनको कॉल लगाना शुरू कर दिया.
अरे
कि मैडम देखो, हम आपको रिफंड दे रहे हैं. जितना पैसा कटेगा, जितना आपको वापस जाएगा उतना मुझे वापस चाहिए. और जिन लोगों ने नहीं दिया ऑन जीपे में वापस चाहिए. जिन लोगों ने नहीं दिया उनको बार बार कॉल करते गए. एंड
बार एक ही बार क्या था.
हाँ, तो सबने दे दिया था, कायदे सबने दे दिया था एक ही बार में. तो वैसे अपने पास 16,000 रुपीज इन द फर्स्ट 3-4 days में आ चुके थे.
Alright.
Now what is up, because we were stood still for the next 2 days and we didn't get a lot of payments on GPay because I don't know why people don't prefer GPay.
Alright.
We moved on registering with this fundraising campaign organizer called Mila.
Okay. Milape, if I'm not wrong, is one of the biggest in India, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's the biggest crowdfunding and fundraising platform in India.
Impressive.
And उसमें in about 2, 3, 4 hours we got registered, we got authorized. अपना पेमेंट आना शुरू किया था. तो we did trial runs. हमने 5 रुपीस डाले, निखिल ने फिर 10 रुपए डाले, फिर हमने वेट करा कि 3 दिन बाद अपने पैसे आएंगे. 10 रुपए करके अपने पास जिस दिन पैसे आ गए, उस दिन we made it official.
अरे बढ़िया.
And when we made it
Yes.
official, in the next 24 hours, we didn't get that overwhelming response, but we got about 1,000, 3,000 rupees in the next 3, 4 days.
Yeah.
And eventually, with momentum, we have crossed 70,000 today.
Oh my God. Congrats, guys. That's not a small feat. That's सही काम कर
Yeah,
रहे
but
हो.
like this total amount is inclusive of that the other enterprise side as well. So basically not just donations but the money which we got through the label MD. That is
And
the social
as of now, how many cities do you guys have operations in?
round 8.
So,
Yeah.
you want me to name the cities? I can name the cities as well.
कर लो भाई.
That'll go
Why
too
not?
long. कर लो यार.
8 cities ही
So,
तो है.
चलो. हाँ, तो
पृथ्वी बड़ा
पटना,
खुश है.
चेन्नई, इलाहाबाद, पुणे, अंबाला, जम्मू, हैदराबाद, and बस and
8 cities हो गए bro.
हो गए क्या?
चलो कोई नहीं. But yeah, that's pretty impressive. So how does operations work basically? So every city में तुम लोग का एक बंदा है who will be looking after the donations and stuff. And is this person from MIT in every city?
Like the on ground volunteers like the two major look जो अपने team के हैं, one is Satya. He's actually a national level squash player.
Ooh.
So that guy, he's in Chennai. So वो Chennai का operation he's handling. He's not from MIT, some other engineering college. And Hyderabad में we have we have two MITians and their friends working for us as on-ground volunteers.
Would you like to
Shriman
name
and
them?
Samriddhi.
Shriman?
Yeah, sure. It's
Shriman?
Shriman, yeah.
Okay, and Samriddhi.
Shriman and Samriddhi. Yeah.
Shriman and Samriddhi, shout out to you guys. Amazing work.
Yeah, so these guys have actually gone out during this lockdown. They have have taken a lot of initiative from me. So like जो t-shirt के idea के बाद then Prithvi came up. So Prithvi suggested कि we like let's not just go with t-shirts but a whole range of merchandise. So I'll request Prithvi to brief about the zipper and cup things. In short, very.
So then so once our t-shirts got sold, we thought of expanding to other domains as well, as Nikhil said. So currently we're working on a product where we get up zippers. So I know a lot of people prefer zippers, going to gym, going to say jogs, going to classes also. People who prefer zippers. And how does it matter if you buy a zipper from Amazon or buy from us, where you buy one zipper and we serve 2 kits from that.
Beautiful.
Versus just buying one zipper from Amazon, and we also deliver on time. So we have a very nice delivery rate of time.
Quality भी अच्छी होगी, I'm sure.
Quality is very nice. If you ask our customers about the t-shirt, they loved it. I can share the feedback also with you. And do also visit our website, labelmdeal.com. And that's it, I guess.
Yeah,
And Soumya, help.
I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys are comfortable with this, but can you share, would you be willing to share a rough ballpark estimate of how many t-shirts you have sold so far?
Yeah, Prithvi.
So we got about 50 t-shirts and we are out of them all completely. Sold out everything.
Nice one. And how much is one t-shirt priced?
One t-shirt is priced 350 rupees. I know it's kind of expensive.
I know, but
because of our first.
Yeah, the social aspect of it kind of weighs it out.
So it was 350 rupees.
But that is inclusive of the courier price.
Yeah, that's inclusive of courier, everything.
So guys, basically for our viewers, let me say for 350 rupees, you will get a t-shirt and you will also be feeding 2 children. That's right.
Correct.
Right? Yeah.
Correct. Absolutely.
That is what Meal Deal is about, guys. I think that's amazing. Good work. So,
thank you so much.
guys, moving on, what do you see Meal Deal as in the future? Do you guys have plans for expansion, or like, because I'm pretty sure that lockdown will be over, but the social aspect of it, the impact that lockdown has left on the society, it won't be gone in like at least the next 1 or 2 years. So what is your plan? How are you guys pivoting? What's Meal Deal in the future?
Yeah.
So I like to begin. Initially we're planning to expand our operations towards getting, say, ration cards and other essential things that people cannot afford on their own, or do not have the knowledge to get on their own. be it ration card, be it voter ID, the essential needs of a person. A lot of people do also not have Aadhaar cards, and even if they have, they don't have the right communication medium where they're able to go to the right channels and get their things settled. And having a ration card at this time, also I'll let you know about a personal example. My maid servant didn't have a certain bank account which was giving funds to from the PM care funds to the people who were suffering because of the corona crisis. So I know the government is doing a lot, but the actual chain of getting the money from the government to the people in need have not been sufficed completely. Our initial inspiration, our initial aspiration, if I would say, would be towards serving these people and getting their needs right.
Alright guys, so now काफी serious चीजें हो गई. So before we move on to the question and answer session, Nikhil, I know that you guys are planning something big. Would you like to explain क्या scene है?
So actually, जो भी scene है, Soumya has worked on it, so I'll request Soumya to enlighten us.
Soumya?
Okay. Yes. I think I have a little big announcement, so I need a little drum roll for this.
अरे drum बजाना आता नहीं है मेरे को.
Great. So today only we actually partnered with MIT Chess Club, and we're planning something big for now. That's what I'm allowed to tell you for now. So stay tuned, check our Instagram pages, and we'll be posting on it soon for sure.
अरे बढ़िया.
I promise you that this is going to be a big event, and tell all your chess buddies about it. Start preparing, and we're going to have a lot of fun.
I would say tell all your non-chess buddies about it also. भाई meal deal वाले कर रहे हैं, थोड़ी औकात है भाई. हाँ. So बढ़िया. So guys, now we are moving to the most fun section of the whole podcast, the viewer-generated questions. So let the viewers know कि Nikhil, Prithvi और Soumya did not have access to these questions at all. और तुम लोगों ने क्या ली है इन लोग की ना यार, मजा आ गया. So first question is to Soumya. Soumya, are you the real Binod?
भाई देखो भाई, ये एक तो बेकार से सवाल, और ऊपर से मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ अंडी मंडी संडी, जो भी कमेंट सेक्शन में विनोद बोला
उसकी माँ बहुत अच्छी.
जिसको जो समझ है समझ लो भाई.
Fair enough. और second question again to Soumya. Soumya, why are you so cute? अरे
yeah man. तो हमें पता ही है.
मेरी मम्मी को फॉर्म किसने भेजा वो बता दो पहले. और कोई तो नहीं लिख सकता.
फैन फॉलोइंग है लौंडे के, और क्या. Fair enough. And next question is to Nikhil. Nikhil,
yeah.
The person wants to know if you're single. A lot of actually guys, this is interesting. A lot of questions to Nikhil are is if he's single. So Nikhil, बता दो यार, लड़कियों का थोड़ा सा दिल मत दुखाओ.
ये I'm more than और ये लॉन्डो नहीं लिखा है, बंदो नहीं लिखा है, and yes I am single. फिर भी
भाई ये इंजीनियर्स की औकात है भाई, अगर सामने से लड़की बोलेगी तो फिर भी लड़का लगता है लॉन्डो ने लिखा है.
यार more than confident, more than sure. एक तो मैकेनिकल, ऊपर इंजीनियरिंग. भाई
मैकेनिकल भाई बहुत दुख हो रहा है भाई तुम लोगों के लिए. चलो कोई नहीं. So
एंजल प्रिया का एक क्वेश्चन था अगर को.
Next question again for Nikhil. Nikhil, what do you look for in a girl?
Oh, बढ़िया.
भाभी जी की क्वालिटीज बताइए.
यार
शर्मा गए.
ऐसा कोई अरे नहीं यार, ऐसा कोई क्वालिटीज नहीं है यार. बस अगर बातें वगैरह अगर
वीडियो में डोनेट कर दो तो अच्छा लगेगा.
या एक तो ये दूसरा अगर
बोलने दो भाई, शर्मा रहा है बेचारा.
एंड दूसरा अगर थॉट प्रोसेस मैच करे तो इज मोर देन इनफ. बस.
फेयर इनफ. एंड वन क्वेश्चन टू पृथ्वी नाउ. पृथ्वी, कभी तुम्हारा कटा है क्या लाइफ में?
अरे
हार्ट ब्रेक्स
भाई उंगलियों पे बाल बताओ.
अरे भाई वेलकम टू द क्लब. मेरा भी सेम.
जब से पहला हुआ तब से ही कट रहा है.
अरे भाई सेम, कैन रिलेट. कोई नहीं
भाई आवाज में भाई.
अपना टाइम आएगा भाई, अपना टाइम आएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन टू पृथ्वी. ओल्ड मॉन्क और ब्लू लेबल?
देखो ओल्ड बॉन्ग पी के कॉलेज लाइफ बताइए तो ओल्ड बॉन्ग ओजी।
ब्लू लेबल नहीं?
जो लेवल देखो औकात नहीं ट्राई करने की अभी तक तो पर जब करेंगे तब करेंगे।
भाई हम नॉन ड्रिंकर लोग के लिए रेड लेबल चाय काफी है यार, और कुछ नहीं। Alright. Sorry guys, I missed out a technical question. This question is also very important. Why is your Meal Deal Instagram account at MealDeal27? 27 क्यों है बस?
Nikhil, please do the
So,
honors.
yeah. So actually, I was not very sure कि अपना Instagram page will be active like that much. We will. What I thought was that it will just be the website and like any queries they can directly contact me. So I just randomly started this Instagram page Meal Deal, and 27 is my birth date, like 27 Jan. So I just simply kept it thinking कि अपना like that was a unique available like the only option. So I just went like
27 जैन को पृथ्वी बैट लेके घुसाएगा तेरे पास भी।
पक्का।
Fair enough. And this is a little controversial question for Nikhil. Nikhil, a person has asked. It's okay if you don't want to answer. Do you remember our kiss at DT?
झूठ।
भाई लॉन्डो ने लिखा है।
अरे भाई मैं DT हार्डली एक बार गया था या 2 बार गया हूँगा एंड किस तो दूर की बातें तक नहीं हुई मेरी किसी से।
अरे भाई दर्द फिर से दर्द आ गया लाइफ में
भाई।
कोई नहीं भाई, कोई नहीं, और चलता है।
हाँ।
तो another question, the next question is for Soumya. Soumya, इस पर बंदे ने लिखा है कि since your name is unisex, do people mistake you for a girl because apparently some incident happened at ISEC or something? Sorry.
This actually happens a lot, to be honest. And I don't think anybody else but me understands the struggle of it.
No, I think all Kirans out there can also understand the struggle of it. Even Shrijan, क्योंकि लॉन्डो का नाम भी श्रीजन होता है।
Yeah.
Yeah. So any funny incidents which happened along that, like किसी ने मिस सौम्या बोल दिया?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, पर मतलब यूजुअली टेक्स्ट पे अगर किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस किया खुद के साथ, देन आई एम यूजुअली कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ गर्ल. And yeah, there was one fun incident. So actually, I had a display with a girl, and my ID also contained my name, which was Soumya. So like, I used to get random DMs from guys trying to hit on me because they thought I was the girl.
Hi dear Shobobs. Indian Londe. कोई नहीं भाई, कोई नहीं. Next question is for all of you. It's a collective question. It is okay, ready? What is your best pickup line?
अरे
सौम्य से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सौम्य बहुत हंस रहा है.
या सौम्य बहुत हंस रहा है. एग्जैक्टली.
अरे भाई, ये आई थिंक ये साइलेंस वाला पार्ट कट कर देंगे हम.
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली.
अच्छा, ये वाला पार्ट भी कट कर देना.
सब लोग सोच लो आराम से.
ये वाला पार्ट भी कट ही कर दे. पर मतलब ऐसे ही हम हमारे बीच बोल देता हूँ. फूलों का तारुगा सबका कहता.
अरे भाई, ये नहीं कट कर रहा हूँ, ये नहीं कट कर रहा हूँ. ये तो जा रहा है.
अरे भाई,
ये तो जा रहा है. नॉट बैड. अच्छा, खेल गया लौंडा. ओके, निखिल, व्हाट अबाउट यू गाइस? अवरो, कैन यू टॉप दैट? बाय द वे गाइस, रियल लाइफ सेटिंग में कभी वो लाइन मत यूज करना. बहुत पिटोगे.
हाँ यार. सौम्य यार.
गो निखिल.
पृथ्वी. निखिल.
या सो मेरे को यार एक ही पिकअप लाइन आती है. मेरे को पता नहीं वो कितना वर्क करता है नहीं. सो इट इज लाइक, इज योर डैड अ टेररिस्ट और योर अ बॉम्ब?
अरे सबसे पुराना क्लासिक.
मैं सच लौंडा, पर यहाँ मैं पिघल गया.
पिघल के आइस बन गया भाई. आइस बन के मैं फिर से. पृथ्वी, तेरी बारी.
मेरा बहुत गंदा है. Are you French? Cause I fell on you. Are you France? Cause I fell on you. Cause I fell on you.
अरे भाई, ये थोड़ा हाई लेवल वाला था यार.
Explains why your signal.
भाई हम इंजीनियरिंग लॉन्डो को नहीं समझ में आता ये सब.
यार सबटाइटल्स डाल यार पृथ्वी.
हाँ.
I fell.
Oh, I fell on you.
I fell tower वाला.
Oh, क्या? Got the point.
That's not bad.
हाँ, decent works.
So I would probably go with something like ये क्या कहते हैं? I'm learning about important dates in history. Would you all like to be one of them?
Oh,
भाई
This actually
right
might work.
swipe
This
करना
actually-
तो कोई रोक दो भाई.
Nice, nice. So guys, इस सारे चीजों में मजा तो आया काफी तुम लोग के responses में. And this last person does not really have a question, but it's a flex point for you guys, so I'll just say it. So he writes, or she writes, पता नहीं लड़की भी हो सकती है यार, लक अच्छा हो सकता है तुम लोग का. Okay, on a serious note, the job you guys are doing, it is truly remarkable. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep it up. So yeah, good job.
Thank
guys.
you so much.
To whosoever it is, we're really glad that you appreciated our work. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, this is for all of you guys. So clap for yourselves internally.
Thanks, man.
Fair enough. So guys, that brings us to an end of the Q&A session with the Meal Deal boys. I'm pretty sure you guys had a lot of fun listening to it, और तुम लोग को भी काफी मजा आया होगा ये.
बहुत ज़्यादा
Completely.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So
well enjoyed it.
wrapping up the podcast, my final few questions to you guys would be like, imagine a fresher coming into college, a junior, who's inspired by you guys. What advice would you have for him?
So, if I may, Prithvi and Soumya, if I may start, yeah. So, the only advice which we'll give to them, him or her, maybe, when college life starts, like instead of like trust your seniors, they're out there to help you guys, and more than that, I don't want to sound very, like very philosophical and all,
No,
but
you can,
yeah,
don't
stay
worry.
motivated. Yeah. So stay motivated and don't lose track. That's all. Yeah. So not trying to go on very philosophical side, but yeah,
Don't
keep
do
your
what?
track on point. Like not trying to go like very
Off track,
philosophical and all.
alright.
Yeah. So, but yeah, keep your track. Like keep on
Fair
point.
enough.
Yeah, that's all.
Fair enough. Also, guys, don't trust your seniors too much in general, वरना दारू वारू पिला देंगे वो लोग when you don't want
हाँ,
मैंने
वो सब है।
मैंने 2-3 को ट्रस्ट किया, बिगड़ गया.
to.
हाँ
बना
भाई,
दिया?
मणिपाल तो है ही उड़ता पंजाब भाई, यही सुन के आए थे हम.
उड़ता कर्नाटका. भाई मेरे को कुछ दिखा नहीं है अभी तक, बट कुछ हार्डकोर
अरे
दारू वारू
कभी रूम
दिखी
में
है.
आना,
अरे
रूम में
सर,
आना.
आओ कभी रूम में. बढ़िया.
Yes.
पता नहीं क्या चल रहा होता है ब्लॉक 19 में, आएंगे एक दिन.
भाई blog
Fair enough. आते हैं. So yeah, that pretty much brings us to an end to our podcast. I'm pretty sure तुम लोग को भी मजा आया होगा शूट करने में.
बहुत ज्यादा.
Yes.
And yeah, Arinjay, just a request if we sum up. Yeah, and also one more advice I like to give.
Oh, please go ahead.
Yeah. Be a game changer like Adit. This guy started Almighty, and now, like, to be honest, whole of our batch is using that app,
I
and
swear, bro.
it has been, yeah, man, it has been a truly game changer thing. And think on those lines, bro. So anything, contact this guy. Can I speak?
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
sir? It's your app, bro.
Even
It's your
I-
platform.
Okay, guys, I am on the podcast, and bro, thanks a lot. And you guys did a great job. I can't believe myself doing this thing. Your like Meal Deal is so big now, right now, and man, I'm inspired by you all.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
Bro,
This is
come on.
the
I
reality.
swear, bro. I
Thank you.
swear. Like, dude, a lot of us like think about doing social work. Like, personally, I thought कि मैं donate कर दिया, अब सब सही है, कर लिया social work, बन गया देश आत्मनिर्भर. But you guys are the forebearers of innovation and revolution in India. Like, when you think about young India वगैरह, तो यही सब आना चाहिए दिमाग में. Shit like that. So
And
yeah.
and yeah. Yeah,
Good
and
job.
Arinjay, with this, just one more thing. Like when you're in college, the social work, like I joined Rotaract.
Mhm,
To be honest, not even a single day I went for any of the drives.
mhm.
So like don't pressurize yourself कि यार social work नहीं करना है. पहले अपने life पे focus करो. You अभी college में आए, you have joined college, focus on your life, focus on all the stuff which is happening around you, and then जब भी time दिखता है, जब भी you get the chance, and when you think that okay, right now it's my responsibility, when the inner feelings come out, inner feeling comes out, then only go and help out people.
Yeah.
So the right time will come, just wait for it.
Definitely,
Don't-
at college is definitely a platform where you need to figure out yourself. Like a lot of
Yeah.
people, उनसे social work नहीं हो पाता है, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like,
Yeah,
but it's
completely.
okay. You need to figure yourself out. Don't do it for the CV. Social work
yeah, exactly.
खुद के मन से करो तभी सही लगता है.
Mhm.
So with those words, I would like to end it. So guys,
One second. Yeah, Nikhil, that was really well said. And also, I don't think I have like a fun incident with Adit about
oh, बढ़िया.
Almighty. Okay.
Yeah.
So like you guys know कि लोहानिया साहब ने चालू किया था Almighty, but like maybe few days before the sessional I think.
अरे लोहाटिया साहब has joined us in video.
सर
सर नमस्ते.
अरे भाई मुंह पे बेइज्जती करना पड़ेगा अभी.
करिए.
So like I think 3 days before the session started, I met Lohadia sir obviously in food court, and that is when he told me that he's making this app, and I asked him about the app, and he told me कि bro ऐसा notes के लिए. While on the other hand, guys like me were like struggling to find notes, like maybe even flexing to the other friends कि भाई मैं तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं की, notes भी नहीं है मेरे पास. While this guy is making an application so that he can provide notes to everyone. And I asked him कि भाई कितने time पहले चालू किया? He told me like probably a week back. And I was like भाई इतना app development कैसे सीखा? So he's like actually I didn't learn it, but I got so frustrated with myself while coding. So I deleted the app a couple of times and then I restarted coding from the scratch. That is what he told me. And in my mind, I was like, he's either a genius or dumb as fuck.
This is
And
truth, guys. I actually like multiple times. I got so frustrated with the errors, the Gradle errors and stuff like that. I deleted the entire thing and coded from scratch again, and it was bad.
and this man, but one thing to learn that he wasn't satisfied with what he had, so like he deleted the entire thing and then restarted again. And that I think I appreciate a lot.
Bro,
And he started back then. He started off with something so little, and now he has expanded to so much. And I think I can answer the question: is he a genius or dumb as fuck? And the answer is he's dumb
we know
as
the
fuck.
answers.
ले भाई लौंडे. No, but guys, as mentioned before, on a serious note, कि my biggest advice to anyone actually in college, काम कर रहा हो, school जो भी है, never underestimate a college kid who thinks outside the box. That वो तो है boss. Never underestimate. You can criticize him, but don't underestimate the guy, क्योंकि लौंडा फिर जब comeback करेगा ना, तो भाई
छोड़ देगा.
ही ले लेगा.
बिल्कुल. And to be honest, संजय, मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर like because he is actually very good, people know about him, but अगर ऐसे generally Almighty कुछ होता नहीं, and अगर मैं आदित्य को जानता नहीं, आदित्य को जानता नहीं, ये बंदा मेरे को आके बोलता यार मैं नोट्स पे काम करूँ, मैं कहता कौन सी बड़ी बात है, नोट्स तो भाई हर जगह पड़ रहते हैं, क्या ये इसमें भाई फक वाला आइडिया कोई इसमें अच्छा, ठीक है, मेरे जैसे हजारों होते हैं, but this guy actually like devoted a lot of time in it, and now like need I say more? Every like all the branches have this one group, Almighty group. So yeah.
Fair enough. So guys,
So one clap for Adit, bro. Everyone.
Hi, thanks a lot.
but on a serious note, अब मेरे को खत्म करना होगा यार, क्योंकि 40 मिनट का पॉडकास्ट कोई नहीं देखेगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही है. ये लास्ट वाला पार्ट भी रख लो, पहले का डालियो.
Can I just say one last thing? Okay, guys, before we leave, before Arinja says a final goodbye, I want to say even I have applied for Meal Deal, and I think everyone should. So guys, apply right now. Click on the link in the description and meet you there.
Yeah. So guys, with those words, I would like to wrap up. It was a lot of fun having you guys over, and for our viewers, if you guys want to donate to Meal Deal, then the link will be in the description as well if you want to buy their t-shirts and everything. And guys, remember, one t-shirt will give you will give you an opportunity to feed 2 children, and it'll give you a really swaggy t-shirt as well. मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं हैं, तो मैं तो अभी order करने जा रहा हूँ. But yeah, that's the gist of it. So thank you guys. I had a lot of fun having you over here, Nikhil, Prithvi, Soumya, and your guest appearance again, Adit. वेलकम टू ऑलमाइटी पॉडकास्ट. यहाँ पे हम लोग बकचोदियां नहीं करते हैं. पॉडकास्ट खत्म हो गया है. अब हम लोग टाइम पास कर रहे थे, एंड देन आई सॉ योर हुज योर डैडी क्वेश्चन, सो वी वर लाइक व्हाई नॉट ब्रिंग. तूने ही पूछा था ना सौम्या से.
तुम लोग जितना खुश हो उतना ही खुश मैं नहीं हूँ.
मैं नहीं हूँ.
कौन फिरकी ले रहा है भाई? पृथ्वी तूने तो नहीं डाला ना.
किसी और पे शक? मोहिशा
भाई सौम्या, तू 2 मिनट पहले तो बोल रहा था तू उसी ने डाला है.
अरे भाई वही तो एक्टिंग के पैसे दे रहा हूँ मेरे को, कम से कम बात तो बोल देती हूँ.
आंसर भी स्क्रिप्टेड है, सब रेडी है.
मेरे पास स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आई भाई.
अरे Anyway,
तेरा
so
सवाल था भाई. हाँ.
So next question is by me. Okay, Mohisha, what did Soumya tell you on the call? अभी जो इतनी देर से बोल रहा था कॉल लगा के, like उसके लास्ट में हमें बस ये दिखाया कि I'll send you the link, you just join and send भी करी तो फॉर्म की लिंक.
Is this a prank?
so if you guys didn't know, let me make it easy for the viewers. सौम्या भाई साहब को हमने बोला था कि मोहिशा को जूम कॉल की लिंक भेजो, भाई साहब गूगल फॉर्म की लिंक भेज दिए.
वो भी volunteer था.
मिल्डी ज्वाइन कर ले.
मिल्डी ज्वाइन कर ले.
पब्लिसिटी बरोबर.
ब्रांडिंग तगड़ी है लौंडे की. बढ़िया.
मार्केटिंग हेड. ओके, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. क्या बोला था उससे पहले?
क्या बोला था कॉल पे अभी?
He asked if podcast is going on. Can you join right now?
पक्का.
बस
कितने पैसे खाए?
हमें हेडक्वार्टर से मैसेज आया कि बोला गया है मैं बस जो भी बोलूं हाँ बोलते रहना.
So Mohisha, on a serious note, what would be the answer to that question if Soumya asked you who's your daddy?
If Soumya asked me who's my daddy.
Yes.
हाँ. ठीक है भाई, हमको भी जानना है भाई. Asking the right questions.
अच्छा बोलिए.
I think bribe अभी तक आ जानी चाहिए थी Soumya.
अरे भाई, पेटीएम कर रहा हूँ भाई.
Thank you so Mohisha for coming onto the Almighty podcast as a special guest and Soumya भाई साहब को expose किया हमारे साथ, काफी मजा आया. We'll definitely have you for a formal episode in the future where obviously daddy questions won't be there. किसी और चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे. And hopefully तुम्हें तुम्हारा bribe मिल गया होगा अभी तक. चेक कर लो एक बार फिर से पेटीएम.
I'll just check.
So yeah, bye.
Bye.